Abay pinaringgan nga ni LeBron James ang 84-point performance ni Bam Adebayo matapos ng 60 points ni Luka. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan ay edo muna nga si Bam Adebayo at ang kanyang mga sinabi sa post-game interview. Well, talagang hindi natuwa ang maraming fans sa naging sagot neto ni Bam matapos nang natanong siya patungkol sa 60-point performance ni Luka against sa team ng Miami Heat. Kung saan ang kanyang naging reaksyon ay i-mention nga ang kanyang 84-point game. Ito pakinggan natin itong sinabi ni Bam Adebayo.
No, he has some tough shots out there. Like it is what it is. I know what it's like to be in that mode. As people can see, it's not easy to get 80. But you know, he made some tough shots.
Well, base nga sa naging reaksyon ng mga NBA fans dito sa post-game interview ni Bam ay hindi nila gusto na talagang minention pa ni Bam Adebayo out of nowhere ang kanyang 80 points. Sinabi niya, makikita nyo nga daw na talagang hindi madaling umiscore ng 80 plus points in the NBA. And well, na-mention nga ng maraming fans ang 40 plus free throws attempted na ni Bam Adebayo. At kaya naman daw siya ay naka-score ng 80 plus points against nga sa Washington Wizards. Tinawag nga ng marami na stat padder nga daw itong si Bam kaya daw siya naka-score ng ganoon kadami. Yung kay Luka Doncic daw ay iba lang dahil in the flow of the game at hindi niya nga daw pinwersa na umiscore ng 60 points. At yun nga ang naging reaksyon ng maraming NBA fans dito nga sa naging post-game interview ni Bam Adebayo na parang inangasan pa daw itong si Luka Doncic. Ngayon naman ipag-usapan natin itong si LeBron James na parang pinaringgan nga daw itong ang 84-point game ni Bam Adebayo nang matanong nga siya patungkol sa 60 points na itong ni Luka Doncic against sa Miami Heat. And well, sa post-game interview ay sinabi nga ni LeBron James dito na nakita nga daw natin na hindi pinwersan na itong ni Luka Doncic ang 60 points niya. Hindi daw siya naglaro na parang chini-chase ang 60 points at sabi ni LeBron James na yung 60-point game, 60-point ball game ni Luka ay within the flow of the game. Ito pakinggan natin mismo itong mga sinabi ni LeBron at ang kanyang reaksyon sa 60-point game ni Luka.
For you right there in the fourth, you've had special nights like that. From a scoring standpoint, what did you make from his night?
I mean, you seen how we all reacted on the floor, and we were super happy that he was able to get that last free throw to go to give him a 60 piece. But it was just in the flow. It wasn't even like he was trying to force his way to get it. I mean, you know, everything came in the flow. Once he got hot in that third, obviously he had a red hand, and he just kept it going, and then made some big time plays for us in the fourth, couple and ones, obviously some threes. So. It was big time.
So mukha nga talagang minake sure ni LeBron James na kanyang minensyon na hindi pinwersa ni Luka Doncic ang kanyang 60-point game niya and everything came within the flow of the game. And well, totoo naman yan nang dahil nakita naman natin si Luka Doncic, hindi naman pinwersa ang 60 points, he just got hot at pinagpatuloy niya lang ang kanyang hot streak at ayun, umabot sa 60 points at the very last moment dahil nga finaul siya ng kalaban. And at the end of the game, nakapagtala nga siya ng 60-point game. At once nga na matapos na officially ang game ay itong team ng Los Angeles Lakers abay kinongratulate itong si Luka Doncic sa kanyang ginawa. Silipin at panoorin natin. At sa post-game interview ay in-appreciate ni Luka Doncic ang kanyang mga teammates nang dahil sa kanilang ginawang celebration at kung gaano daw sila kasaya patungkol nga sa naging performance ni Luka. Pakinggan natin siya.
And kind of the way they've celebrated it with you.
I mean, that's what's all about, you know. You see everybody celebrating on the bench. It's like it shows that we care a lot about each other, and that's what great teams do, you know. Just makes my heart happy, you know, seeing them celebrate my 60-point game.
At yan nga ang ilan sa kaganapan matapos nga ng grabing performance si Luka Doncic against sa Miami Heat at ang medyo parinig at patama ni LeBron James ito kay Bam Adebayo matapos ng ethical 60 points neto ni Luka.